Cook with confidence with this sleek induction hob from Samsung. It's easy to operate and effortlessly gives you great results. The FlexZone offers flexible cooking with its large open area that's divided into 2 cooking zones. It can accommodate cookware of various sizes, so you can use it to cook with 3 pans simultaneously or heat 1 large dish. Designed to suit your needs and allows you to be versatile. With induction cooking, not only do you get a more powerful heat, but also more precise and efficient heating. The heat energy is transmitted directly into the cookware on the surface, ensuring that it heats quickly and that no energy is wasted. Spend less time waiting for your pan to heat and get straight to cooking. Step away with the pause function, knowing that you don't have to worry about your pans boiling over. Pressing the pause button before you leave the hob will automatically reduce the cooking zone temperature. This brings it down to a simmer and restores your original cooking settings when you press the button again. Confidently leave your oven without having to delay dinner times. This Samsung induction hob has simple and intuitive controls as well as a stylish, minimalist glass design.